back to my channel. Today I'm back with unboxing of too many stuff. I have a comb which is used for trimming purpose. I have a Bolt headset, and I've got a trimmer comb, and there is a shoe which is from Fila. So these are the items which is available for unboxing, and I'm gonna make the unboxing one by one, and I'm gonna show you the products. So if you have still not yet subscribed, please do subscribe my channel and help me in uploading more and more videos. And that's it, guys. Thank you so much for all my subscribers. Because of you guys' love and support, I have reached 41,000 plus subscribers, and yet to reach 50,000. I'm just waiting for that particular moment. So let's do the unboxing one by one and then start. Hey guys, so it's time to unbox this trimming comb. So my old trimming comb got damaged and broke when my trimmer fell down. So after that I was like waiting for an offer to buy a new trimmer. This has been almost 3 to 4 years old. You had been seeing this trimmer in my other videos also, where I have shaved my head. I have trimmed my complete beard and mustache. So I've used it for like many years, like more than 3 to 4 years. But this is a very good trimmer which I bought, and unfortunately the trimmer comb got broke, so I have to buy a new one. So I was just searching on the Amazon website, Amazon.in. So I've got this trimming comb, which is model QT4000, QT4001. It's costed 499 rupees. 499 is the MRP. I got it for 200 rupees something, 200 change. So let's open this and make a quick unboxing. I initially thought it would not be a original one, but this looks like original itself. So it is really nice. So I can start using it. So I have done this trimming yesterday with the same trimming comb, and I have got another item which is shaping comb, or I don't know what they call. So this is the one. Let me see the name. I'm gonna leave the link in the description. Yeah, this is a beard comb. It costed me 198 rupees. This is how it's gonna look. So you can do two types of shapes. One is straight, you can keep it over here and use your trimmer, remove the clip, and then you're gonna trim. It's gonna take too much of time and patience. And the other one is for the shape, the curve one. So again, you're gonna keep over this way and you can do the shaping. So you don't have to visit a parlor to get your beard shape. You can use the normal trimmer and the comb. This is called beard comb, and you can do it by yourself. So this was just a quick unboxing of both the item and a small information on this. That's it, guys. Next time if you will lost your trimming comb or trimming blade, you don't have to worry. You have to just go to Amazon.in and search. So you will be getting one, and you will be saving lots of money. So that's it. This was a just quick unboxing and a review. Hope you guys enjoy this video, and thank you so much for your love and support. Do subscribe my channel and help me in uploading more and more videos. Catch you in my next videos. Till then, stay tuned. Bye bye.